Here we go. Tonight we are making something very, very nice. We're going to be making honey garlic. Got a good bit of garlic there. Look, honey garlic chicken breast. So I'm going to slice the chicken breast off. The reason I bought it as a whole chicken is because I want the skin. And I couldn't buy the breast in a pack already cut up with the skins on them. They did duck, but they didn't do the chicken. So I'm going to have to slice that up myself, which I'm going to do in a minute. And we're going to have some courgettes. Already chopped them up. We have some nice carrots, roasted, chopped them up, and some broccoli with some jasmine rice, which is already on the boil. Kids' dinner's in. This is just for me and my beautiful wife. So we're going to make it very, very tasty. We've got some soy sauce, we've got some honey, we've got some garlic. That's the basis of our sauce and our glaze. And then what we're going to do, we're going to slice this up, dust it in flour, pan fry this chicken, and then just keep working it very nicely. So we start off with a whole chicken. We end up with that. Look at that, stripped down, lovely. Got some wings, got some legs, got some beautiful breasts, carcass there, nicely sliced and diced. All before my rice is even boiled. Took about a minute and a half. There you go, about a minute and a half to strip that chicken down. And if you think about it, £7 for a chicken. Get some nice goodies there, didn't you? For £7. Right, let's take care of the rice now and have a wash. Time to make our lovely marinade, sweeties. Garlic's in there, as you can see. Honey. Lots of honey. Nice, sticky chicken. And then we go in with some light soy sauce. Lots of that. We want the colour now, yeah? And obviously the looseness of the sauce. Oh yeah, baby. And a little bit more honey, why not? All for good measure. Give it a stir. And we'll be good to go in a minute. Just waiting for the vegetables to get where they need to be. The broccoli's on, the rice is steamed, it's lovely to go. And then we've just got to pan fry them bad boys. Get the old pan on. Kids are enjoying Game Plan. That's the name of the film. Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. Good film, that. Right, a little bit of oil on the skin. We're going to go skin side down on that. Rub that in. Flip it over as well. There's the side breast. We're going to keep that attached like that. Run your oil in there. Nice. Look at that for a nice chicken breast. That's lovely, isn't it? That's lovely. Nice bit of skin. We'll crisp it up. So we go skin side down in the pan. Bring that to temperature. Boom. That looking lovely in there. I've boiled the old broccoli and then I've stuck it in the oven to roast off as well. So that's going to be very, very tasty. Won't take long to get that up to thing. It'll probably be a bit early, but we're going anyway. That's why you got no, but that's fine. Here we go, it's going now. Hear it? Oh yeah. Time to flip over the chicken. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful bit of skin. Come on. Come on. Right, turn over. Temperature is being turned down now. Keep that quite low now, because what we're going to do is we're going to cook that chicken slow whilst basting it in this juice. Alright, we've got colour on the chicken now. We've seared it off all the sides. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put some of this sauce, sticky, save some back, just a little bit. We'll go back in with that in a minute. Drop that temperature down to, we're going to cook that off. And the chicken will cook now in the heat without burning. And then what we've got to do is we've got to stay on top of this now, and we've got to keep basting the chicken. Getting that stickiness going on. Look at that, that looks wicked, man. That looks absolutely to die for. Bee's knees, man. Look at that juice, look at that. All that sticky honey. And that will stick to that chicken eventually. When the sauce starts thickening up, you'll see that chicken change colour. Where the soy sauce and the honey's coming together. And you've got that nice garlic, and I've had that garlic sitting in that juice for, it's got to be half hour now actually. Sitting there, got to be about half hour. Right, go on with the rest of it. Yes, please. Come on. Have a look at that. I'll turn the heat off. I've been basting that for 10 minutes or so. But look at that. Colour's amazing. When you cut through that chicken as well, and it's beautiful and white, the contrast in them colours, just going to be next level, man. Got the fan on at the moment, if you can hear that. Look at that, that is so good. If you want to make good food, you've got to do it with love. You've got to take your time, and you've got to baste. Yes, please. Right, time to plate up, darlings. Nice bowl of veg. Look at that. Got some garlic in there, got some carrots, courgette, and broccoli. And then over here, we got the chicken and we got the rice. Come on. That is a proper dinner. Probably took half hour, 40 minutes to do that. I cooked the rice first. Look at that. That is a real nice. That with that, and I've cooked more veg as well. I've got another bowl of it. I've cooked too much veg up, but that with that. What a lovely selection. Give it a go.